Hi Dream Homers! Welcome to my new house tour here in Antipolo, Rizal, inside Executive Village in Upper Antipolo. Malapit lang ito sa Vista Mall. As you can see, it's a two-story modern house. And ang lot area nito is 150 square meter with a floor area of 137.8 square meter. Meron siyang 2 car garage with covered na rin siya and 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and a service area. And as you can see, no, spacious yung kanyang garden. Yung flooring na ginamit dito sa garden is artificial glass. Okay, so kumbaga easy to maintain. So ito meron siyang spacious dito na pwede nyo siyang gawing lanay. It's up to you, Dream Homers. And pwede nyo siyang maging event space if meron kayong small gathering ng family nyo. And this space is for your service area. Okay? So, itong pinapakita ko sa inyong bahay, it's a finished project ng seller which is same lang ng laki ng lote sa pre-selling na nakita nyo kanina sa opening, no? Yung picture ng pre-selling, same design ng facade. And of course, yung layout. So, possible na magkaroon kayo ng minimal kung hindi naman minimal changes for the layout kung hindi naman ganun kagrabe yung renovation na ipapagawa nyo. And of course, dito sa baba, meron kayo ditong isang full toilet and bath, floor to ceiling na rin siya, and your kitchen area and your cabinet. Okay. And this door will lead you to your service area, yung kaninang nakita natin sa video, and meron na rin kayong sink. Okay, so that's it for the ground floor. May cove ceiling design na rin siya. And sliding door access to your lanay. And a lot of windows for air ventilation. And check natin yung second floor, which is the second floor, makikita natin yung 3 rooms and 2 toilet and bath. So, as you can see, makikita natin yung railings ng stair is a metal railings and lalagyan pa yan ng tempered glass for framing. So, pag-akyat natin sa second floor, meron kayong a hallway. And check muna natin itong pangalawang toilet and bath, which is magsisilbi siyang common toilet and bath ng 2 rooms. Ayan, may water heater na rin siya. And dito sa first room, meron kayong provision for window type aircon and a windows. Kasya dito yung single bed or bunk bed and a small table to set up your computer table for your children. And yung water heater sa toilet, it's yung buyer yung bumili nun. So anyway, this will be your second room, which is kasya yung same bunk bed or single bed, and may space kayo for study table area. And this will be your master room, nakasya naman ang double size of bed, and meron na rin siyang mga drawer cabinet, which is provided by the buyer. And of course, your master room and water heater. And that's it, floor to ceiling na rin yung kanyang design. And dito sa master room, meron kayong balcony, which is mahaba siya and enough space para magkasya yung isang coffee table. Okay, so ayan yung inyong view dito sa balcony. Makikita nyo yung service area nyo, your lanay, and your car garage. Again, Dream Homer, if you're interested to view this property, pre-selling stage siya. So, kung ano yung nakikita nyo dito sa video, ganun din yung iti-turn over sa inyo. So, let me know and we're very happy to assist you para makita nyo yung lote. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on my social media accounts. And we're very happy to assist you finding your dream homes. Bye and God bless you all!